Hey guys, welcome to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to link a private story on Snapchat. When it comes to certain types of content, it's not about what you are posting as much as who is seeing what you are posting. After all, not everything is meant to be put on a display for the rest of the world to see. Fortunately, social media platforms like Snapchat accommodate this need for on the base by providing appropriate features. Like on Snapchat, most often messages can be sent privately to one person or a small group of people, a way to share with people without giving a private phone number or email address. And there are all sorts of private features like how to add a private story link on Snapchat. This allows the user to add a link to any website in one of your stories, which can then be sent privately. It's one of the features that wasn't in the app's original release, so if you don't know how to do it, watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. Now, creating a private Snapchat story is pretty easy, but it does differ from the typical process of sending a snap in a few key ways. So first, go to your Snapchat application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open and make sure you are logged into it. Now go to the profile icon on the top left corner and tap on it. Once you're on your Snapchat profile, go to the top right corner of your screen and tap on the settings option. Now go to view my story. Now go and tap on custom in order to customize who can view your story. On here, select friends you want to block from seeing your new snaps. Then go and tap on block. Now go back to your Snapchat profile. In here, go and tap on your private story in order to create one. Now choose the friends you want to share your private snaps with, and then go and tap on create story. Now you need to give a name to your private story. Then once done, go and tap on save. By saving it, it directs you back to your Snapchat profile, and here you can see you have created a new tab for your private story. Now tap on it in order to create a private story and take a snap. Now go back to your home screen and copy the URL link you want to attach it to your private story. Then go back to your private stories and tap on the attachment icon on the right side of your screen. Now paste the URL on the top bar of your screen. Then tap on the URL you want to attach. Once you land onto the URL page of your link, go to the attach to snap option and tap on it. By doing that, you create a sticker of a link here. You can pinch it in and out in order to resize it and drag for reposition. Now once you are set, you can go to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the send icon in order to add this to your private story. Or you can go to the sticker icon here and tap on it. Go to the story option and tap on the icon here. And then tap on private story so that only you or your selected friends and family can contribute. Now go and tap on your private story icon. So here you can see you got the sticker on your screen. You can just drag for the reposition and pinch in and out in order to zoom this in and out. Now you can go to the send icon and tap on it. And once your story is published, you can see it on your private story bar. So now your selected friends and family can tap on the stickers and join your story, or they can directly tap on the attachment and it directs them to your provided link. So thanks for watching the video, guys. This was it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.